you cannot speak, it just like closes and opens, which actually causes this kind of hic sound, okay, sudden hic sound. Now what is the actually helpful tip to reduce this hiccups? If you wanted to reduce immediately, then pull your knees towards your chest and lean forward and eat granulated sugar. That can actually help you to reduce this hiccups immediately, and also holding your breath can also help you in reducing this hiccups. Why? Because diaphragm is actually helpful in breathing, so you're just holding the function what it is doing, so that can also help you to reduce the hiccup. That's all for today's guys. I hope you like this video. Stay energetic and spread your vibes. Bye.